oversized rain shower heads or rainfall shower heads. They're quite expensive, but there are inexpensive budget versions, and I decided to install one and try it out. So here's my existing chrome and solid brass shower head, which is in good condition and working just fine. It's 4 inches wide, and I'm going to replace it with an 8-inch wide rain shower head. Changing a shower head is a cinch. Just use an adjustable wrench to grab the shower head and turn counterclockwise. And then just unscrew to take it off the shower arm. This is my new 8-inch shower head that I bought from eBay. I got the cheapest one I could find, and it cost just around $10. It's a generic, non-branded shower head that came in a non-labeled, non-descript brown box. This is just white plastic film for protection. So this is kind of different in that it's super thin. It's wider than my fat hand. The nozzles look like they're made of silicone. There were other parts in the box. So it turns out that I have to assemble the shower head, except it came with no instructions, so I just used some common sense. It did come with a little bit of Teflon plumber's tape, and a general rule of thumb in shower head installation is always put Teflon tape on threads. I might not always remember to show this on video, but I always put Teflon tape on threads, and you should do that as well because it really is necessary to create a nice seal to prevent leaks. To install a new shower head, simply screw on clockwise, check for leaks, and tighten with the wrench as needed. I attached the shower head loosely just to see how it would look. It just dawned on me even before putting it on that this huge rain shower head so close to the wall would not look right. It works fine, but it's just too close to the wall. So got myself an adjustable shower arm extension. I bought mine from Home Depot for $25, but I noticed that Lowe's sells one for just $15 with free shipping, so I would recommend that you get it from Lowe's. Here, I'm attaching the shower arm extension to the shower arm. Just screw on clockwise. And tighten with a wrench as needed. there are two pivot points for adjustment. This is the one near the shower arm. Now, I'm attaching the shower head to the arm extension. Here you see how the arm can be adjusted near the shower arm, near the shower head, and the shower head itself can be adjusted. When I run the water, I can see that there's a leak where the shower head is attached to the extension arm. Because this shower head doesn't have flat surfaces, I can't use a wrench to tighten it. Instead, I'm using tongue and groove pliers to get a firm grip. You can see that I ended up scratching off and ruining the chrome finish, but it's nothing to fret about because this wasn't an expensive shower head. It cost $10 only, which is the cost of one Big Mac meal and a large shake at McDonald's. But if I were working with a precious shower head, I would have put a piece of cloth between the pliers and the shower head. Voila, my new budget rainfall shower head. It actually looks better than I thought it would. And it works great. I like taking showers under it. But then again, I'm not a fan of high pressure shower heads. In general, a smaller shower head with fewer nozzles delivers good water pressure, while a larger shower head with many nozzles is going to be more gentle. Also, I'm going to put a link to this budget shower head in the description box in case anyone's interested. As for the shower arm extension, I picked up a Delta shower arm extension from Home Depot, but this Lowe's extension arm is much less expensive and priced even better than what you can get on eBay, which is where I normally find the best deals, like the deal for this shower head.